What's up everybody? My name is Treg. This is Treg's Travels. Today we're doing a little bit of truck camping. My friend Aaron is here. He's got his awesome overland tent trailer set up. We got our pontoon boats with us. We're gonna do a little bit of fishing and enjoy this last little bit of fall weather. So stay tuned.
This pain and heartache is like nothing that I've ever felt before. Well, I guess I got what I deserve when you walked out of.
That's pretty level.
Yeah.
I'll probably like back in my truck over here. Well, we're just getting camp set up. I'm gonna put my boat together. We still got a little bit of daylight today, so I'll probably get out and fish for a little bit, then we'll get everything squared away for bed. A little bit of mud on the tires. Check out Aaron's rig. Kind of rests on the ladder.
You just kind of gotta get up there. So I got it set up. You pull that forward, and then that's the bedding.
That's pretty sweet, dude.
I like it. Yeah, it's lost almost a pound over just the whole elevation, maybe.
Yeah. Well, we got camp all set up, so time to do some fishing. Not too much sunlight left, but we'll get a little bit of fishing in here. I made this platform, dude.
Yeah.
She's rock steady. About 20 feet deep right here. Fish are down about 9 feet. I'm marking a lot of fish. Really pretty out here today. We're gonna lose sunlight pretty quick, but we'll be ready to go right first thing in the morning. About 32 feet right here.
Fish on the big yellow line.
Yeah, it depends on your settings. Lost him. That's the second one I've lost. It's getting too dark for sunglasses. Really pretty. I lost a few small ones over there. I'm gonna come over here by my friend Aaron and see what he's up to. I'll throw my jacket on. That's better. Over there, I was only about 6 feet, but they're close to the surface over there. That's better. I'm gonna try my sinking line for a minute because it's a little bit deeper over here than where I was at. Getting wrapped up in my feet. The fish are pretty shallow. How deep are you over there? Fish are about 20 feet down. Let this sink for a second. Woo. Well, it got dark pretty quick, but I caught a few little ones that I lost before I got to the net, but that was about it. So we'll hit it hard first thing in the morning. I'm gonna get into some dry, warm clothes, and we're gonna start a fire and cook some steaks on the fire. Ew, just realized I forgot my table. That's all right. All right, I'm gonna get my thermals on, get warmed up, and get some dry socks on. That'll feel good. These pants are wool lined. They're the most comfortable thing ever. It's a perfect time to use this new hat I got. This is from a company called Tillich. They sent me these and they've been honestly really nice. I've been excited for it to be cold enough that I could try out this wool lined hat. It's got the ear flaps on there, so it should keep me nice and warm. All right, that's a lot better. Aaron's already got the fire ripping. I'm gonna cook some steak over the fire. Ghost pepper cheese curds, venison sausage. Oh yeah.
This really is what it's about.
That's actually an amazing combo, dude.
Get the veggies on.
Okay.
Okay. Is my light on?
We're gonna put this right here. We got the steaks right on the coals right there. Oh baby. Look at that steam, dude. That's pristine right there.
I got onion, carrot, celery, squash, something else. I don't remember what it is.
Beautiful.
It's good.
It's good. Dude, it's actually delicious. It's perfect too. Not too soft.
That's good.
That is cooked really good. Good. Ooh.
Never been better.
Oh yeah. That's pretty rare. Well done. That actually looks great.
That was really good.
Yeah, try that, man. These veggies are perfect. Steak is a finger food, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious. Not too bad.
Just incredible.
I think the second steak is where it's at, dude. Well, we had a pretty good time around the fire. Cooking steaks on the fire is something I've never done before. Directly on the coals, so that was kind of fun. It's about 30 degrees outside, so I'm gonna get cleaned up and get ready for bed, and I'll catch up with you all tomorrow. Morning. Everything is pretty much frozen. It got pretty cold last night. I always bring a buddy heater with me, and I ran it for a little bit and shut it off, and then middle of the night I woke up and it was 20 something degrees, so I turned it on again for a little bit. Right now I'm trying to thaw out my wading socks, so I got them sitting in front of the heater. Trying to decide if I want to go fish for a little bit and then make breakfast, or let it warm up for a little bit and then get out and fish, because it's a very cold morning. Another few weeks from now we'll be ice fishing out here, so kind of the last little bit of the season here. Aaron's already out on the water. What's that?
I'm gonna head back to the other side.
Oh, okay, you're headed to the far side?
Yeah.
You want me to make coffee? Got a little spirit of 1776. You never seen a percolator?
I don't think I have.
First you get it popping, then it percolate.
I don't understand that word.
I don't either, but he sings it in his song.
So the steam is what? It's not in the water, right?
Nope.
So you boil that.
Yeah. So it's got, yeah. This has a hose that goes, or a straw that goes all the way down, and it kind of has a base to it. So it captures the steam that comes up, soaks over the coffee grinds, and then back down into the water.
Wow.
So you just let it keep going. You just let it go for a while until you see coffee shooting up into this. Then it's percolating. That hits the spot. We're gonna get some breakfast going here. I got some sausage, some eggs, a couple different types of cheeses, and some sourdough. We're gonna make some breakfast sandwiches. These little stoves burn pretty hot.
About a portable bathroom. Here we go.
Oh wait, no, they're not. They're not. I thought they were frozen because they were so hard. But we're good.
The fan's still blowing.
Yeah. So it'll, as long as there's heat there, it'll keep going.
Does it help us anything?
No, dude, we're good. Just letting this all cook. A little chipotle mayo. Get those sides toasting. This is the good stuff right there. How is it?
Sourdough's great.
Yeah. Homemade, bro.
Wow.
This was delicious. Ready to get out there and fish a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get things cleaned up a little bit and then I'll be down there. A little bit of ice on the seat. Let's try fishing for a little bit. Very calm out here. Everything's a little bit iced over this morning. All right, well, we're gonna fish this for a second. Everything's frozen. Everything should thaw out pretty quick. It's a nice fish, man. A gold leech. Oh, it's a nice fish. Yeah. Ooh, he just ran. He's putting up a good fight. Aaron, check this fish out. Oh gosh.
Rainbow?
Yeah. On the strip, bro. I'm moving these leeches. Oh, that's a big fish, dude. There's a fog that's kind of setting in. I'm gonna troll with my sinking line as I'm headed over to this other spot. Pretty chilly day overall. This fog is interesting. I really like this pontoon boat setup. It fishes really well. It's really comfortable. I can sit out here for a long time. With the trolling motor, it's perfect. I'm gonna head over to this spot where I usually catch fish. Last time I was here, I caught a couple nice ones down here, so we'll see how we do. A little bit more shallow over here too. Got another nice one here. This one on the indicator. Get him on the reel. There's some great fish in this little fishery. Oh my goodness. That's a huge one, dude. Okay. Not my best release. That was a great fish. Black leech. Well, we're gonna head back this way. Caught one nice one down there. Let's go see if we can get maybe one or two more right by camp before we have to take off. Wind's blowing pretty good. He's just little. Oh, popped off. Long line release. Got another little guy here. On the woolly bugger. Okay, buddy. Have a good one. Well, fishing was pretty good. Caught some nice fish this morning. That was a lot of fun. We got to get back home, so we're gonna get the truck all put together, get the boat taken apart, and get it all loaded up.
Good.
Well, everybody, that's it for this one. We're just heading out of here, so thanks for watching. We'll see y'all next time.
Guess you ain't coming home. Blew my chances